Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF file in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Facebook Messenger and navigate to the conversation where you want to send your PDF file. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or even a group conversation. Once you have the conversation open on your screen, you're ready to move forward with attaching your document. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see the message input field. Right next to it, you'll notice a plus icon. This plus icon is your gateway to sharing various types of content beyond just text messages. Go ahead and tap on this plus icon to reveal additional sharing options. After tapping the plus icon, a menu will appear showing you different types of content you can share in the conversation. Among these options, you'll see Files, which is exactly what we need for sending PDF documents. Tap on Files to proceed. This option allows you to access documents stored on your device, making it easy to share important files, contracts, presentations, or any other PDF you need to send. Once you tap on Files, you'll be taken to your device's file browser where you can see all the documents available on your phone or tablet. Browse through your files until you locate the specific PDF you want to send. When you find the right PDF file, simply tap on it to select it. The file will be automatically attached to your message and prepared for sending. And that's it. Your PDF file is now attached to the conversation and ready to be sent to your recipient. The file will upload and send immediately, allowing the person on the other end to download and view it on their device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.